I thank God there are others who are going through a lot more than I am. And the best way to go through difficulties is to look at people who are struggling in a bigger way. Look at people who are lower than you. You are craving for shoes. Look at people who don't have legs, people who don't have feet. Be kind to yourself. Yeah.
The going gets tough, the tough gets going. Without grandpa, it keeps me crying. The painful thing, we never met. If he was alive, I couldn't hesitate. Tell my secrets, plus my stories. Flashback lightening my memories. I can't believe that he's gone. Maybe I'm dreaming soon to be done. So true, Koko Murirota. Thanks to God, Vose Mwachiuta. I hate life, yes it is hard. Oh, I see ni picture pachimate. Emotionally drained, tears on the paper. Life come and go, quick like vapor. How many souls have we lost, Commander? Facially I smile, but mtimani was under. Now I'm old, sharp and colder. Dealing with the street, my struggle's not over. Affected brain, mind never sober. On my death, my last breath. Play this set cause I'll be dead. This world has got no honor. Hope God eyes now, wake up my owner. 2014, my hero died. Taught me a lesson, swallow my pride. Knees down, wishing you are alive. Question, is death part of life? Life dries it like sour in a garden. Rest in peace, hallelujah, amen. Nabeka pasi, nabeka nakuchanya. Only God knows, yeka wakumanya, yeka.
You know, nobody wants to die. Even people wants to go to heaven. They don't need to die for them to get there. But death is a destination we all share, and no one has ever escaped it. Yeah, and it should be like that, cause